Hi, welcome to your online introductory general chemistry class. I'm Catherine Broadbent and I'm here to help you learn some chemistry this term. So let's get started. We're going to start here with the course overview. This is just an overview of the course. This is kind of all about me. You'll see my email, my phone number, my picture, and my office hours. I'm in my office hours. I'm in my office during these hours, generally speaking. And if you want to call or text, or not text, but email me, I'll try and get right back to you as best I can. Okay, the course description is really just the course schedule here. You can see week 1, we're doing chapter 1. You'll have these things that you'll need to accomplish. The syllabus quiz is on Blackboard. The other things are in Mastering. And we have due dates. The syllabus quiz is actually due this Friday, but the rest of it is due later. All right. Down here we have the course syllabus. And you can download it here, or you can just read it. You've got my name and information number, my information again, so that you can contact me. Your textbook has been downloaded into Blackboard, but if you have wonky internet or whatever, you may want to buy a hard copy if you feel more comfortable reading on paper. You'll need a scientific calculator. That is one with an EE button that allows you to do scientific notation. It doesn't have to be one of the real fancy ones. See, this one would do fine. It has that EE button on it. Okay. You need to keep your email account active, particularly being an online student. That's the only way I have to contact you. No attendance policy. Your grade is going to be determined by 2 lecture exams for 200 points altogether, 100 points each. We've got a couple Blackboard quizzes, and they are 60 points. Homework will be worth 100 points. Now, when you do your homework, you'll actually have more points than that. I'm going to use an average. A homework average rather than actual points is used in this calculation. We'll be doing a paper that's worth 40 points, and the final exam is comprehensive and 150 points. I don't like late work. You're allowed to work ahead. Once you finish the quiz for one chapter, the next chapter will open. You're welcome to go ahead and work on those chapters. If you have technical difficulty, you can contact me, and I am reasonable with allowances. You are online, so I'm not worried about giving you COVID, so we will go on. Here's the no-show policy. This is the syllabus quiz is due by Friday, August 20th. Okay, let's go back. And you also may want to look at these tabs. We've got Ultra Help Guide, we've got Accommodations, Academic Resources, Troubleshooting, Being Polite to One Another. It's an important skill. And then lastly, you've got down here the syllabus quiz. If you don't finish the syllabus quiz by Friday, on the 20th, you'll get dropped from the class by Monday. So make sure you get that syllabus quiz filled out, and when you do, the rest of the class will open up for you. All right. Welcome to chemistry. I'm glad you're here.